Now, this illustration deals with cable clamps. In other words, the cable clamp field in accordance with NEC 314.16, B as in boy, 2. Now, notice the note. Let's look at that together. Review 314.16 B2 for cable assemblies and non-metallic boxes. And then for design tips, test tips, whatever it may be, if you wanted to review these ground clamps and some of the requirements and with the other sections that deal with grounding, look at 250.8, 250.10, and 250.7 as recommended in the test loop or the NEC loop. Now, notice we have two clamps, and even though there's two clamps, they would only count as one. And we should see 314.16 B as in boy 1 along with A2. But this figure 12-4 is strictly dealing with how we would count field when there are cable clamps involved. And of course, you see those conductors have to be spliced, so there would be quite a few conductors there. But notice you only have 4 equipment grounds. So far, we're in good shape with the equipment grounds so far. But we would also have, in that illustration, 4 ungrounded conductors and 4 neutrals that would have to count. And then you would have your clamps. So that's how we would count. We'd have 4 equipment grounds, would count 1, because we only have 4 less. We would have 4 ungrounded conductors and 4 neutral conductors. So that's how we would count the field of that box in accordance with NEC 314.16 B as in boy 2.